Hi guys. I am doing a PC flipping business, and these are just two of the, I don't know, 6, 7 parts that I ordered to build my first ever gaming PC. So first we have the motherboard, and then the next one we have is this RGB fan. It's a cool looking fan. Hi. As you can see, I'm wearing a different shirt because this is like 3 days after the other part. Because more of the parts came. So first we have the power supply. It's a 60 watt, or not, 600 watt. If it was 60 watt, that would probably be pretty bad. And we have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It's Lexar. So, and then also we got the SSD, 500 gigabytes, which that's quite a bit of space. And then for the graphics card, so I'm still waiting on the PC case and the CPU, so hopefully it'll come tomorrow. That'd be really nice. So let's get started. Got the motherboard. Yeah. I think first I'm gonna put the SSD in. We got the motherboard. I need my flimsy knife. Open the SSD. That. Open it. Oh. Here's the SSD. Got my wrench set. Let's take this shield off. And then let's put, so you want it to go at a slight angle, I think. And then here I learned that you were supposed to take this plastic wrapping off the thermal pad to help cool the SSD, so just putting that out there. Oh, and this should have had a screw right there to help hold the SSD in. Fits. Get the other one in. Oh. So, got the SSD in. Now it's time for the RAM. The RAM's gonna go in these slots. Let's open up the RAM. Freestyle. Oh, backwards. Oh, that is nice. That's DDR4 Lexar RAM. So you want it to go every other. So just fit that. And like that. Then press down. There's one. So we want to skip the next one and then put this one in. There. Got the second one in, and that's all you need to do for the RAM. I have my CPU now, so that's cool. It's a Ryzen 5 5500, and then I also got the PC case. Open this up. I got that on record. Lift it out. Whew. This is NZXT one. There's the inside. There's plastic wrapping right there, but I'm not going to take that off. And let's open the CPU. Ah, there we go. So here's the CPU. Oh, that's a heavy boy. Look at that. And then here's the cooler. Oh no. I accidentally put my fingers in that. I didn't know there was gonna be that. Oh no. I've never done this before and I got some thermal grease on me. But I'll just wash that up. Alright guys, I have the CPU. I'm gonna do the packaging and then here it is. There's the CPU. So, undo this. Alright guys, there's the CPU, and now I'm gonna push this down. And it should lock it in place just a little bit. For the motherboard now is the cooling system. I'm gonna get it. So there's that. So I'm gonna need to take some screws off. There, okay. So you want to go every other, kind of like a star shape. Do a little bit on each side until it's fully in place. Oh, I don't think oops. Okay. There, so now all we have to do is plug in the fan to it, but I'm going to do that after so I don't break anything. So let's mount it to the put it into place. As you can see, I got the motherboard shield in. Alright guys, I got one panel off. This is the back panel. Down here is where the power supply will be, and then there's cords back here. Alright guys, I figured out what screws to use. Yeah, I hope these are the right ones. I'm pretty sure. So let's install it. Oh. It better fit. Sorry guys, I forgot to record again, but I only did 2 screws. Okay. Everything's lined up perfectly. Sweet. So the next is, I think, hooking up the power supply to everything. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna do this off camera. So, alright guys, I think the next step is the GPU. I did do some cable management. Okay guys, I think it's time for the GPU. Alright guys, got the GPU. Now I need to take some of these panels off. I can't see anything. Okay. There, snapped in. Alright, we got the graphics card installed. Look at that. Oh, that was so dumb. I might need to unplug it again. Because I don't know how I'm gonna get my hand under there to keep plugging stuff in. I have a couple more things to do. That was dumb. Alright guys, the moment of truth. I got it all plugged in. We're gonna see if it turns on. Guys, I can't believe it actually worked on its first time. I'm speechless. I worked so hard on this, so many hours on it, and it booted up right when I turned it on. First time. Now, let's see if it actually can run Fortnite. Alright guys, so I'm loading into Fortnite. We're literally getting 80 FPS. Alright guys, we are getting 60 to 70 FPS right now. Oh, it just got to 80 almost. 60 FPS is pretty much all you really need. So if you're not kind of like a beginner of playing video games, this would probably be a really good computer. I'm gonna drop. Ooh, how about the gas station, shall we? Yee. Oh, there's someone landing with me. Alright, we're almost there. Ooh, just about made it. Ooh, there's someone right there. Sprint, buddy. Let's go.